It was so stressful, guys. You have no idea. So we're at the homestay and they prepared for us breakfast. The food is so good. The chutney is so good. The sambar is so good. One of the முயிர் பாய்ந்து இருக்கோம். பாதையில தாவி ஓடுறான் அத்தா பெத்த பூங்குயில தேடி ஆடுறான். The chick I call her Lola. She feel like the ocean, like to drink and smoke. The pine forest
with all our kutalis, the little monkeys.
Korungis.
I feel like smoking, plus she good at charming cobras. I feel like I'm chosen, but she ain't the only one.
Okay, so we asked them to pack our noodles, and then my mom said, ask them to parcel it, which basically means pack it, right? Look at what they gave. Packed it in this. And it's sealed.
It's like when you get Coco Crunch from the shop.
It's like as though we just bought it from like a mama shop. Yeah, this is how they pack food here in Kodaikanal.
Just Singapore.
Legit parcel. Okay, that's it.
What they want. Dollar signs, yeah, I know it's what they want. What they want. Y'all ain't fooling me at all.
And now I'm my brother-in-law's house. Oh my god, that was so stressful.
We couldn't have reached here with us.
I was so stressed. I was like, we drove for 8.5 hours straight. And then towards the last half an hour, and the time kept going on. It's like, it was supposed to reach at 8:30, but they kept like extending, like, no, we'll be at 9, no, we're gonna reach at 9:30, then we're gonna reach at 10 o'clock. Oh my god, okay.
Like we never reached.
Yeah, late actually. We reached late. I feel really bad, but at least we reached and we're having a good food now. So it's good. I am still in shock. Like, I genuinely am still in shock.
So we just found out that what we have, this one specifically, is not chicken, it's bird.
We left at 12:30 a.m. and had a 2 hours drive to Nagore. When I thought the stress was over, it got worse. Getting out seemed impossible for almost an hour. We were going in circles for an hour because it was pitch dark. And the GPS kept leading us to paddy fields or dead ends. Remaining calm in a stressful situation, which our 13-seater bus couldn't drive on. After an hour, I gave up on the GPS directions and went old school reading the map.
It's currently 3 a.m. and we're still driving. We got lost a couple of times. That was so stressful, guys. You have no idea. Oh my god. I'm still like, I mean, yeah. Now I do not trust the GPS anymore, especially in places where you cannot read the roads. So I'm just manually reading off the GPS and then deciding where to go, which has been working so far for the past hour. So fingers crossed we get there in the next hour. Now I'm getting tea, although I'm gonna regret it. Taking 3 at 3 a.m. to stay awake for the next 1 hour.